Good morning to everybody. Good morning. How are you? Nationwide. How are you? I wish that every day it's okay, especially in the weekends. Now is start. Now some countries now is start for the school, the first day in the school, like here also in Iraq. It's the first day in the school is Sunday. And another countries is Saturday and Sunday is weekends. So the Monday is their start from the school like in the Philippines also. But now here, the first day of the school is Sunday. So now I prepared already, same as usual, for the lunch for Sisi in the school. And this one also is for her snacks. Okay. I take only some of this one. At least that she has again, that's what I'm telling, that I don't let them to feel hungry. At least she has some foods, good food to eat, especially in her lunch. So if she want to eat more, she take breakfast. I prepare already the breakfast. But if she want egg also, so I keep her already. And this one is for her snack. I trying to keep another fruits to Sisi so that she can take some another name of the fruits. This one is like the melon and the orange because she is always eating the apple, and sometimes the strawberry it's sweet, but it's hamod, or it's like little bit lemon. She don't like the taste, that's why. And now I make the salmon and the cheese and the milk. But I bring also some, this one for the school. At least we have already. So again, thank you and thank you. And ingat lagi-lagi na sa mga nangyayari sa bawat bansa dito sa buong mundo. Kung ano man ang merong mga problema, ingat-ingat kayo lagi, lalo na sa mga kalusugan. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you sa pag-subscribe me. Thank you that you like to watch my all daily videos in my daily routine here, as in domestic helper, housemaid, household here in Iraq, and keep it safe lagi. Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na wag ninyong pababayaan yung kalusugan natin sa bawat isa. Okay? Hindi masobrang mag-diet, hindi rin naman sobrang pagkain, basta normal lang. Basta ingat-ingat lagi sa mga kalusugan natin. Thank you again and bye-bye. Subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Ano bang ibig kong sabihin pa? Basta laging ingat-ingat kayo. Ingat. Ingat. Take care. And bye-bye again.